Yo guys, what's up? It's Ricky from STOMP, and today we're doing a beginner house dance combo. Now today we'll do it as a 2 count of 8 routine, and then there'll be a part 2 to this where we finish off the routine like usual. Yeah, I like to keep these nice and short so you can smash them out, get them done. Now yes, it's a beginner one, but if you're intermediate advanced, you don't need to click away. You're going to enjoy this one. Trust me, the beat is high, and we're going to smash this one out. So let's get straight into it. So we're starting with a jump cross. So we're going out, cross, out, cross, out. And we're hitting 2 heels, heel, heel. So that's on left heel, right heel, then you heel, left, right, jump out. Make sure you're leaning forward with that, and make sure you're giving your jack. Yeah? So again from the top. So we're starting with a jump cross. You want to have the left foot coming in front first. So out, left foot in front, cross. Then out, right foot in front, cross, out. Then left heel, right heel, left, right, out. Then you're going to part of BOURREE, left foot coming behind. So left foot behind, right foot out, left foot in front. Yeah, nice. From the top again. So you go 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, cross, out. Heel, left, right, jump out. Part of BOURREE, left, right, left. From here you're going to step right foot behind and out. Use that as like a jump and a bounce step to hit it out. Then you're going to go stomp, left leg up, hop, tap, out. Yeah, nice. Let's go again from the top. Let's finish it off. We're going to keep it short and sweet today. Make sure you stick to the end. We're going to smash this routine with the music 3 times, this combo. Make sure we get it good, yeah? So, from the top again. 5, 6, 7, 8. So, out, cross, out. Heel, left, right, jump out. Part of BOURREE, left, right, step right, behind, step it out, stomp with left, hop, tap, out, and you're going to re-hop them feet, and then jump tap up, and bring it out. So you're just jump tapping these parts of your feet, in the middle, tap, come out. Now that is the first 2 counts of 8, so in part 2, we'll finish it off, we'll hit the next 2 count of 8. We might even make this one a longer set, we'll see. So, let's go slow, let's go fast, and then we'll smash it out with a beat, yeah? So, nice and slow, let's get the details good. Make sure as always in house, bend in the knees, get that bounce, and get that jack. So from the top slow, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, cross, out. Heel, out. Part of BOURREE, left, step right behind. Up, stomp left, hop, tap, out, tap, down. Nice. Okay, let's go quicker. Speed of the music, and then we'll go with the music 3 times, yeah? From the top, quick. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, cross, out. Heel, out. Part of BOURREE. 1, 2, 3. Behind, out, hop, tap, down. Nice. Okay. If you're struggling with that, rewind it back, clean it up. Let's go 3 times to the beat. Let's go. Okay, let's go. 3 times to the beat. I'll count us in. Make it big. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Us in the club, we shake it up. Make tracks, take that, take you up. Move back, we got beats, we just love to see y'all bounce to the rhythm of the drum.
Woo! Nice. 3 more. Let's go. Okay, let's make it big. I'll count us in again. Hit that bounce. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Us in the club, we shake it up. Make tracks, take that, take you up. Move back, we got beats, we just love to see y'all bounce to the rhythm of the drum.
Nice, good. Let's go one last time. Make it the best one. Okay, one more time. Let's make this high. Let's make this big. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Us in the club, we shake it up. Make tracks, take that, take you up. Move back, we got beats, we just love to see y'all bounce to the rhythm of the drum.
Woo! Nice, good. Okay, there it is. I hope you enjoyed this beginner house dance combo. If you did, be sure to hit that like button. Smash the subscribe button to join the STOMP family. Hit that bell notification button so you can keep up to date with the uploads. Part 2 will be released very soon. If there's anything I'm not doing that you guys do want to see or anything you really enjoy or you just want to chat, leave a comment down below. I do get back to all of you guys. Click here to visit the channel so you can see all of our videos. And click here to jump onto the next tutorial and keep learning, yeah? Apart from that, well done guys. Catch you in the next one.